Today we're going to be talking about 8-7. It's a little more multiplication power properties of exponents. It deals with a power to a power and a product to a power. So yesterday we just dealt with multiplying, which when we added the power. So if you remember yesterday, yesterday we said, say m to the 7th times m to the 5th. That became m to the, what do we do there? Yeah, m to the 12th. We add the two powers. Well, the problems are going to look a bit different today. Okay? Just keep in mind that whenever you see a power, it means you're doing repeated multiplication. So whatever is being raised to that power, you are repeating. Okay, you're going to see that a lot today. Man, should have picked a smaller number than 7. Okay, so you got our m to the 7th right there. You're repeating it 7 times. Okay, and m to the 5th, that's going to play a role in what you're learning today. All right? So you're going to be working on the work together as a whole group at your table. Okay? And here you go. Actually, let me put up I'll put it up here so you won't have to get the textbook there. All right, so try those first couple. Zoom out there, number 1 and 2. It's on page 396 if you want to put it as a reference in your notes, but that focusing didn't help much. Try that. That still didn't help much. That's a little better. All right. Number 4, Austin, what'd you do on the first one here? You added the powers. You said 3 and 3. How many did 3 plus 3 there? Very tough to see up there. Yeah. 3 plus 3, well done. So that, when we do repeated addition, that's the same thing as what? Repeated addition is when 3 plus 3 is the same as 3 times 2. Okay? 3 times 2. All right? And so that gives us what, Austin? 8 to the 6th. All right, well done. All right. Hey, how many got that? Very good. Okay, Amanda, what did you get for the next one there?
We did the wrong thing.
Okay.
We did the worksheet instead.
No worries. Number 17. Anya, what did you get for the next one?
Okay, I added all the powers and so I have 4 to the 5th plus 5 plus 5.
Good. So we did 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is the same as 5 times 3. And that gives us 4 to the 15. Well done. All right. Let's see. Marley, what'd you get here? What do you think?
7 times 4.
7 times 4, yeah. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, 7 times 4. Which gives us 2 to the 28. Well done. Good job, Marley. All right, and I don't have a person there. Person number 9, Brina. What'd you get?
I had 8 to the, 8, 6 times 2.
6 times 2. 6 plus 6, 6 times 2.
And then I got 8 to the 12.
Well done. All right. Austin. Sorry, man. I'm just using the random number table on my calculator. So what do you think here, Austin?
Number for letter E?
Yeah.
G to the 8th.
G to the 8th? How about right here?
G to the 4 times 3.
4 times 3. So what's that give us?
G to the 12.
G to 12. Well done. All right. Okay, look for patterns in your answers. Question 1, write a shortcut. Such, or for an expression like 8 to the 6th to the 3rd power. Michaela, what do you think?
That you could like how it starts with the G and the. Okay, so it's 8 to the 6th in the parentheses and the 3's on the outside. You can just times the 8 by the 3.
8 by the 3?
I mean the 6 by the 3.
Good. Hey, you guys, she said a key thing there. She said when the parentheses are here and then with the 3's on the outside. Anytime the power's on the outside, remember that means you're doing repeated multiplication. So that would be 8 to the 6th times 8 to the 6th times 8 to the 6th. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is the same as 6 times 3. So the shortcut is just to multiply the powers. That's called a power to a power. So 8 to the 18th there. All right. Hey, any questions there? Okay. I want you to take and look at your, go ahead and look at your worksheet that you picked up on the way in. I want you to do example number 1 now. All right, we're going to move on to the example 2 portion. Everyone's eyes and ears focused right here, please. Okay, I want you to try this problem with your groupies. Okay, try number 8A off page 397. Give that one a go. Now, Randy was really concerned about the probability of his group getting called on. I'm sorry, I used the random number table here. You're talking, be done talking. Hey, you guys in the back, pay attention. Okay, so we got person number 22. That is Ethan. Okay, really close. Ethan, what did you do on number 8A? What's that? Let me try another one. Amanda, what did you get?
I just did 15 times 3, or 15 times itself 3 times.
Okay, so you did 15 times itself 3 times. 15 times 15 times 15?
Yeah.
Okay. And so, what'd you get?
3,375.
3,375. So you brought that cubed into the 15.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it's
Oh.
3,375.
Sorry. 3,375, and then you just put the z on the end?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyone else do anything different? Kylie?
Well, I did 15z to the third because the cube side is only attached to the z.
Okay, so you brought it in just to the z.
Yeah.
Okay. So if we combine both your answers, you guys have a correct answer. Okay, we do bring the cubed into the 15, and we bring it into the z as well. And the reason that works like that is because 15z, all to the third, they're in parentheses. So that means you really have, if you write it in expanded form, you have 15z times 15z times 15z. All right, and so looking at that, remember yesterday we said we could just put these little multiplication signs in between if we don't see them. So really that means 15 times z times 15 times z times 15 times z. And if you put all the 15s next to each other, you get what Amanda had. And if you put all the z's next to each other, you get what Kylie had. You put it all together, you get the correct answer right there. Okay, so really the shortcut, KK, can you summarize the shortcut there? What would I do for letter B?
It'd be 4 to the second and the g.
Okay, so it'd be 4 to the second.
Wait, why don't you just do 4g to the 10th?
Yeah, you do.
Oh, why don't you just?
And then you bring that in. It's not, but it's g to the 5th to the second, right? Power to a power is times.
Okay.
Okay, so 5 times 2. So we got to raise that to the second and that to the second.
So 4 to the 4th and g to the 10th.
4 to the second.
4 to the second.
Yep, 16 and g to the 10. Good. All right, everyone try letter C. Okay. Person number 10 is not here. That would be Taylor, though, just so you guys know. All right. Call him. Say, why aren't you here, man? Amanda, you're up. Your number came up again.
Oh.
Yeah, so what'd you do? You ummed.
I had no idea what to do
Okay.
because I wasn't here yesterday.
Well, we didn't work on this yesterday, so no worries. Marley,
The assignment I got for yesterday.
any idea?
I had no idea.
You can do it with Marley.
How do you start it? There's that again.
6 times 5.
You don't do 6 times 5 first. We got to deal with the parentheses first. Let's try Dan. Dan, your number came up, Dan. What do you got? There's again. I heard
Wait.
No. I got 135,000.
Okay, tell me what to do first, Dan.
Hello.
Pay attention. 6 to the third power. Bring that in. Very good. 6 to the third. Now what? M to the third. And? N to the third. Dan's representing there. All right, we'll pause right there. Give someone else a shot. Number 7, Charles. What do we do from there? Okay, we're in math. Number 22, Ethan, you're up. Oh, okay. Number 10, Taylor's not here again.
That's not fair.
Well, it's not my fault he's not here. Kylie.
I don't like that phrase. You do 5 to the 4,
Okay.
M to the 4, and then negative 3 plus 4 is 1.
Okay, so it's like negative 3 times 4?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Hey, yeah, that's where we go right there. Okay? So now we're looking at putting those together. So really we're distributing the power to each part. We're bringing it into each part. And this is power to a power. We got to multiply them. Okay? So, man, verse number 2. Michaela, what do I do from here?
You do 6 to the third power.
Okay, what do we get?
216.
216. All right.
And then you do 5 to the fourth,
Okay.
which is 625.
Okay.
And then you do, you bring down m to the third and n to the third.
All right.
And then you do negative 3 times 4.
And we get?
And you get negative 12.
All right. Well done. So, and there are all multiplication signs in between all that. We're almost done. Okay, let me pause right there. Questions up to there? KK, no question?
I was going to ask, so can we combine?
Oh, maybe. Don't give away the end of the movie. Austin, what do we do now? Your number came up again. If I were you guys, Owen would be number 4. Austin's number comes up all the time.
My number 1.
No, Amanda is. Okay, Austin. It's like our test numbers. Okay, everyone gets 30 seconds. Talk to your neighbors. What are you doing next? Go.
Combine the n. N to the third.
Person number 21. Lindsay, what do we do? Everyone give Lindsay your attention. Good. 216 times 625. What do we get?
135,000.
Evenly? Cool. It's a very nice number. Okay. Very good. That's a good first start there, Lindsay. Well done. Pause there. Person number 19 is Dan.
Da-da-da.
All right, Dan, what now?
You add m to the third power and m to the negative 12th power.
Good. What do we get?
1 over m to the 9th power.
All right. 1 over. So you actually went one step further. Can we just go m to the negative 9th right now? Okay, you guess. Good job, Dan. All right. Person number 10, Taylor. Not here again. Number 3, Zach. What's next? Times into the third. Well done, Zach. All right. Zach's stepping up. All right. Person number 6, we got Dylan. What now? Dan even gave you a hint, Dylan. We're almost done with this problem. It needs to be positive exponents. That's your hint, Dylan. How do I make that m to the negative 9th positive?
Hey, Peter.
Peter's on his team. Oh, no. All right. Well, that's all right. Number 12, we got Haley. What do you think, Haley? No? All right. Person number 4, we got Austin. No, they're not the same base, so we can't multiply them. Person number 8, Kylie.
Come on, Kylie, represent.
How do we make the m to the negative 9th a positive?
You put 1 as a numerator over it, and then it becomes,
Yeah, I hope everyone's listening. She's about to give the correct answer.
and then what? And then, just a sec. And then, just a sec. Wait.
You're right. You put it over 1.
And then, don't you like move it down?
Yep, you like move it down. And when you move it down, it like becomes,
I'm moving that.
it becomes into,
135,000 times.
yes, that's right. Right there. Okay? You move it down. It becomes positive then. Well done. Okay. Hey, I want everyone to work on example 2 on their worksheet. Make sure you're asking me for help. All right. I want you to try these problems. Example 3 now. I believe these are right off your worksheet. So if you'll take a look at your worksheet. I think this is number 29. This is correct? Okay, I want to try those together. So looking at number 29, why don't you talk to your neighbors about what you're going to do and try to get that one done.
And it turns to.
All right. Marley, what do you think? What should we do from here? Any thoughts?
4 times 3.
Okay, so you're going 10 to the 4th times 3. Okay, very good. It's outside parentheses, so yep, you got to multiply those. Any other thoughts? That's enough to get you a point there, Marley. We'll move on to another person here. Number 12, Haley, what do you think? You got to do one other thing up here. All right.
Multiply by 3.
Multiply what by 3?
The 10 for,
Yeah, we did. We got it. Why don't we try Emily? What do you think?
I think you like the what?
No, it's this,
Oh,
Emily.
this one?
Yep.
Okay.
Sorry, not that. Sorry, Emily. 2 Emilys. I got to be more specific.
Oh, okay. You take the 3 over to the other 3, so it's like 3 to the 3rd.
Okay, 3 to the 3rd. Good. All right. Well done. Dan, what do we do now? What is that?
27.
27 times 10 to the 12. All right. Thank you. Are we good there? Zach, what do you think?
You get to move the decimal point between the 2 and the 7.
Good. This is not between 1 and 10, so the decimal's here. We got to move it there. So when we move it there, Zach, what happens?
The 12 turns to 13.
Good. This became smaller. This goes up 1 then. So it's 2.7 times 10 to the 13. How many got that? Well done. Very good. Any questions?
Led the pack.
Okay. Your assignments to finish up that packet tonight. Okay.